Hi, today I will be showing you IKEA's sofas and sofa beds. Let's begin. Choosing the right sofa is harder than it looks. This video will help you choose the right IKEA sofa with real prices. Exploring some of IKEA's most popular sofas, designed for comfort, style, and everyday living. From modular designs to timeless classics, these sofas are made to fit your space, your lifestyle, and your home. Let's take a closer look. Enjoy long movie nights and comfy socializing with friends in JÄTTEBO modular sofa. Use this combination with a relaxing chaise longue as it is, or create a customized sofa for you and your home. JÄTTEBO is a modular IKEA sofa with deep, soft seating and hidden storage under the seats. You can easily rearrange the modules, and the washable corduroy cover makes it perfect for everyday living. Stockholm 2025 is a spacious and elegant sofa made with natural materials and a visible wooden frame. It offers long-lasting comfort with pocket springs and a removable, washable cover. This is the IKEA Stockholm sofa, a statement of timeless luxury and refined design. Crafted with premium aniline leather, each piece develops a richer character over time. No two sofas are exactly the same. The natural leather finish gives it a unique expression, while the cushions provide exceptional comfort and support. This three-seat Stockholm sofa isn't just furniture. It's an investment in quality, elegance, and longevity. Backed by a 25-year guarantee, it's designed to be enjoyed for decades. Premium, iconic, Stockholm by IKEA. This is the IKEA SÖDERHAMN 4-seat sofa with chaise longue and open end. Designed for relaxed modern living, it lets you sit deep, low, and comfortably with soft, loose back cushions for extra support. The light, airy design with high legs and slim lines keeps the space open, while the supportive seat cushions provide lasting comfort. Thanks to its modular design, you can rearrange, expand, or customize the sofa to perfectly fit your home. The chaise longue can be placed on either side, and the deep seats make it ideal for lounging, reading, or even taking a nap. Finished in durable VIRP fabric, the removable cover is easy to clean and made for everyday life, flexible, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish. PÄRUP features a timeless design with wooden legs, supportive pocket springs, and a comfortable upright seating position. It also offers hidden storage under the chaise longue and an easy-to-clean, washable cover. EKTORP is a classic sofa with deep comfort, soft cushions, and changeable washable covers. LILLEHEM is a modular sofa designed to grow and change with your space and needs. VIMLE is a modular sofa bed that easily transforms into a comfortable bed with a thick mattress. It offers supportive comfort, flexible configurations, and washable covers, perfect for everyday living and guests. This is the IKEA FRIHETEN sofa bed, a smart solution for modern homes where space and function matter. By day, it's a comfortable sofa. By night, it easily transforms into a spacious bed. The built-in storage under the chaise longue is perfect for keeping bedding, pillows, or everyday essentials close at hand. The chaise can be placed on the left or right, so it adapts to your space. This is the IKEA EKHOLMA sofa. Designed for comfort you can really feel, with deep seats and generously padded cushions. Its soft lines and inviting shape make it perfect for long, relaxed moments at home. The removable, washable cover makes everyday living easy and practical. Whether you're lounging, hosting guests, or enjoying a quiet evening, EKHOLMA is made to keep you comfortable, simple, cozy, and welcoming. KIVIK is a spacious, super comfortable sofa with deep seating and wide armrests. Pocket springs and foam provide lasting support, making it perfect for relaxing, lounging, or even a quick nap. LINANÄS features soft shapes, a modern look, and a durable dark cover. It offers comfortable seating with a flexible chaise longue that fits your space. Meet the IKEA APPLARYD sofa set, a timeless design with elegant details, soft lines, and refined comfort. The supportive cushions and pocket spring construction offer lasting comfort for everyday living. Raised wooden legs create an airy, modern look and make cleaning effortless. Describe the IKEA LANDSKRONA sofa series in a clear, friendly, and engaging way, highlighting comfort, style, materials, and size options. IKEA VISKAFORS sofa, where classic elegance meets cozy comfort. Soft, inviting cushions, timeless design, and high-quality materials make it the perfect centerpiece for any living room. Feel the comfort, enjoy the style. IKEA GRUNNARP sofa series, sleek, modern, and designed for comfort. With soft cushions, clean lines, and durable materials, GRUNNARP brings a stylish and cozy vibe to any living space, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Experience the IKEA LINDAKRA sofa, where comfort meets contemporary design. Soft, supportive cushions, stylish lines, and quality materials make LINDAKRA perfect for relaxing or hosting guests. A modern centerpiece for any living room. The last one is IKEA HYLTARP sofa, designed with a classic look and generously padded cushions for deep, cozy comfort. The high back and soft armrests offer great support, making it perfect for long, relaxing moments at home. Its timeless design blends easily with both modern and traditional interiors. With removable, washable covers, HYLTARP is as practical as it is comfortable, warm, welcoming, and made for everyday living. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more IKEA reviews, prices, and real store tours. See you in the next one.